Hello again. I'm out of breath, been working, I'm done. It's after 6, so I'm done. But look what I got done. A lot of progress. I I went back and forth on this flex dock. I was going to return it to Lowe's and go, I guess you call it rigid, solid tin, and wrapping the insulation myself. But then I decided to not do that because I checked, double checked, triple checked, and it's in there, right? It's in there. I was thinking about doing elbows, elbow there, elbow there, elbow there, and I still might. But I made this thing really long because in the garage, in my shop, it didn't expand like this. But of course, now that it's hanging, it's expanding, and I don't need that much. So I'll cut off what I don't need. But oops, sorry about my bathroom's a mess. Don't pay any attention. So I got the register boot is done. I taped it, pulled the insulation over like you're supposed to, taped it all real good, and that's the general spot it's going to go. I don't know how deep I want to go because I don't know what my nickel gap TNG is. I think it might be half inch. I don't think it's 9/16. So I might make that flexible so where I could push it up. I'm not going to fasten that boot down yet. I might wait till I'm actually putting the ceiling up, and then if I can push up on it or pull it down, whatever I'll need to do there. But my second board is up, and there it is. I made my ladder. Remember I said I was going to make a ladder, so my ladder's installed. I redid my bracing, had to move that over, did that, braced. That's just for that's not for really anything, but a nailer for drywall. So that serves a couple purposes. It keeps my insulation up, and I'll use that for a drywall anchor. Other than that, that's I got my dimmer done. I don't know if I showed you my dimmer. See, I got the dimmer done. I like that. I'm trying to get an idea where I want to put these dimmers. I'm thinking I want to have them go in each of the corners, but then overlapping in the middle. You know what I mean? Think of it as a cone, right? And overlap in the middle just a bit, but kind of aim towards the corners, because they're adjustable. Those, I think they're called gimbal. They're on like a gimbal, so you can rotate them, to a certain degree. And that's why I got them. I think they're more efficient than the other ones too. They're certainly thinner, because you see the body of that versus, see that one up there? That's the body of the old one. And these are a lot thinner. So I think the technology is improving, because those are about, let's see, I'm going to say 6 years maybe. So anyway, got my duct in, and yeah, definitely cut off a lot more than I needed. Go figure. So no big deal. And it fit real good up there. I mean, it's only, you can see here, you can see at the ladder that the insulation is compressed a little bit. I talked about that, but the duct itself has plenty of room. That's not compressed at all. That's going to give me a nice flow, and that's what I wanted. I didn't care if the insulation was, compressed a little bit, because it's an inside. It's not a conditioned space, but it's not exposed to, it's not the attic space either. It's like in between. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick update as to what's going on. I'm done, and done for the day. I got a lot done. I'm getting my heated exhaust fan. I ordered it, and it's in transit, so I want to get this. This has to be done because it's starting to get warm out. So I want to get this all buttoned up before I start anything else. I want to get this all done and get that, part of the job finished. Then I want to do my exhaust, my heated exhaust fan. And you're going to like that. That's going to be nice. And I plan on putting it right about there, right about there. Well, actually, no, I take that back. Wait a minute. Actually, it might go here, closer to this beam right here. In fact, I might build out, it might go right. See that beam right there? That's the newest beam. It might go right there. So yeah, that's a good idea. And I have 3 spots to do. 3 of those, right? So 2 are going over the tub, and 1 is going against this wall right here. And I want to down, obviously it's gonna be focused on this wall. So it's gonna look nice. It's all gonna look nice whenever I get done with it. And I'm all itchy, you know, so from the insulation. Reminds me of, you know, back in the day kind of thing. And I did wear masks, 2. I got 2 of them. And I tell you what, I'll leave you with that shot right there, okay? Because this is, it's almost 6 minutes. So anyway, more to come.